Hello and welcome. Thanks so much for staying tuned. Now, in the previous class, we solved this, and this is done. I gave this as an assignment. You could try answering it so you see if you could solve it. Now, let's see how we'll solve it together. So, let's go ahead. Now, we've already done this, and this on the table. We have this with us. This is the solution to it. If you have a question, please put in the comment, and also like, share, and subscribe. Please follow too. Now, however the platform. Now, look at this. You have the log of x squared minus 8x plus 18 is equal to 1 over 3 to the base 8. Do not forget, I always define logarithm. What is logarithm? The log of a number to a particular base is the number of times the base will be raised to give this number. So, to compare this to the index form, what you have, this is raised to this. So you have 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So you now have x squared minus 8x plus 18 is equal to x raised to the power of minus 3. Now if I bring this out, this means 8 1 over 3. It means the cube root by indices, the cube root of 8. And this will form the roots, this will form the power. That is, this will form the roots, this will form the exponent. 8 raised to the power of minus 1, which is the same thing as saying the cube root of 8. 8 raised to the power of 1 is 8 times nothing, just 8 itself. 8. So, what is the cube root of 8? Is any number that you multiply by itself 3 times to give you 8. Let's start with 1. 1 times 1 times 1. We'll give you 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. Let's do 2. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So let's not go further. So what number did we multiply itself 3 times to give us 8? That number is 2. So that means this essentially means 2. So let's bring it back here. So what we'll have here is x to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 18 is equals to 2. Now, having had this, this and this do not have the variable. So what we'll do is we'll do the additive inverse of 2 in order to take it off and bring it in. In other words, some people will just say move this in, it becomes minus 2. But this is actually what was done in maths. So what you do in the left hand of the equation, you do to the right hand of the equation. Now remember, the equal sign separates two equations. You may have something lengthy here and only one number here. It shows that they are balanced. This part is equal, is balanced like this. If you solve here, you should get this. So what do we do now? We do the additive inverse of 2. How do this? So you add the additive inverse of plus 2. What the additive inverse of plus 2 is actually minus 2. So what do? We have x raised to the power of 2 minus 8x plus 18 on both sides. Minus 2 is equals to 2. Put the minus 2 here. So we'll put the minus 2 on these two sides. So 2 minus 2 is what? 0. And what we have is x raised to the power of 2 plus 8x plus 18 minus 2 is what? 16. So this is it. At this point we arrived at a quadratic equation. So we move ahead fast. Now, from the quadratic equation we have x raised to the power of 2 plus 8x plus 16 is equals to 0. Now, we look for two numbers that when you add them or subtract, you get 8. When you multiply them, you will have 16. You multiply them, you have 16. Now, let's start with the multiplication side of it. What and what do I multiply to give me 16? 16 times 1 and then 8 times 2, and then 4 times 4. Let's start. If I do 16 times 1, it will give me 16, right? Okay, no problem. But how about if I do the plus or minus? 16 plus 1 will give me 17. If I do 16 minus 1, it will give me 15. So this combination will not do. This is 8 times 2. 8 times 2 will give me 16. But if I do 8 plus 2 will give me 10. Or 8 minus 2 will give me, 8 minus 2 will give me 6. So this combination will not do. But 4 times 4 will give me 16. 4 plus 4 will give me 8. So this combination of 4 times 4 is correct. So this is the one we're going to use. So what that means is that we're going to use 4x and 4x. So to replace this place. So let's go. So what we have now is s squared, let's see, so what do we have here? We have x squared plus 4x plus 4x, and then 16 is equal to 0. So we'll bring them, we'll collect them together. There's something here that's also here, there's something here that's also here. So let's spread out. What is here? This is x squared means x times x, and 4x means 4 times x. Now this one means 4 times x, and this one means 4 times 4, right? 4 times 4 makes 16. So what is here that is also here? I can see x here, and I can see x here. So bring the x here out. So what remains here? X plus and 4 here. This is done. I come here, the signs here, minus plus times plus is plus. And then, what is here that is also here? I see 4 here, and I see 4 here, 4 and 4. So I bring 4 out. What remains here? X, what brings plus, what remains here? 4, 0. So if you want to know you're getting it right, what is inside this bracket must be the same thing as what is here. So I'll pick this and pick this out. So we'll have this and this will make one bracket, 4. And then this and this are the same, so I'll just pick only one out of the two and make it x plus 4. So don't think I just use this and multiply it here. No, it is this one and this that made here. It is this and this. Being 2, I'll use just one of them. Now it's equal to 0. Now let me separate them. X plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's go. What is it? It means that x is equal to 4. No, x, what is the additive inverse of 4? Minus 4. So, or you say plus 4 crosses equal sign becomes minus 4. Or do the additive inverse, plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 minus 4. Or x is x plus 4, additive inverse of plus 4 is minus 4, is equal to 0 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. This is x. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Or 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. X is here, and 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So what you have essentially is x is equal to minus 4, or x is equal to minus 4. Or you can see x is equal to minus 4 twice. Now that's it. Now I want to take a look at this again. If you have a question, please notify me. If you have a contribution, please do the same. If you found this to be useful, please share. I want you to like, and thank you for subscribing. Thanks for following. Let's see you in the next class. Thank you so much.